This is going to be a video tutorial on how to launch the Task Manager in Windows 11. Launching the Task Manager in Windows 11 is completely different than the way you did it in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. In Windows 10, all you had to do is right-click on your taskbar down here, but the Task Manager is no longer there. The way you do it now, you want to go to your Start icon down here at the bottom. You want to right-click on that. Then you go up here, right there's Task Manager. So instead of right-clicking on your taskbar down here, you right-click on the Start icon. Another way that you can access the Task Manager is by holding down the keys Control, Shift, and Escape all at the same time, and that will also open it. That is how you launch the Task Manager in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.